Hello friends, welcome back. This is Kuldeep from QA Cubicle. So today we are going to learn about some common exceptions which we face while doing the automation with the Selenium, and then we will see how we can resolve such kind of problems. Okay, so I'm very sure like if you have just started learning the Selenium, then you must have encountered such kind of problem. So I have just listed out the exceptions which we generally face, and then we will see how we can fix these. Okay, to basically showcase these kind of exceptions and their fixes, what I have done actually, I have created a program. So it is my program to launch the google.com and get the title for the same. Okay, and first what I will do actually, I will execute this program and show you like it is working properly. Then I will make some changes in this code, and we will replicate the exceptions, and then we will fix the exception. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so what I have done actually here, so I have created with the help of the system.set property. Basically, I have provided the path of the Chrome driver.exe. Okay, and this is in this statement actually I have created a Chrome driver object, and I have kept it inside the WebDriver reference variable, that is the driver. Okay, and with the help of driver.manage.window.maximize, I am maximizing the Chrome browser window. And with the help of driver.get, I am just launching the google.com. Okay, and here actually I am trying to get the title of google.com and storing in a string variable, that is the page title. Okay, and here I am printing the page title. After that I am closing the browser with the help of driver.close function. Okay, now if I try to execute this program, so ideally it should launch the Chrome browser and open the google.com inside it, get the page title and close the window. Okay, so it's launched. Okay, so it was very quick. So we can see like the Google homepage title is Google. Okay, so that means this program is working perfectly fine. Now what I will do to replicate these exceptions, I will make some changes in the program. Okay, and then we will see in case you encounter such kind of problem, then how you can fix it your end. Okay, so my first exception is illegal state exception. The path to the driver executable must be set by the webdriver.chrome.driver system property. So why this exception comes? So to replicate this exception, what we need to do? So in case you will not set the system.set property for your driver, so like here I'm dealing with the Chrome, that's why I have kept it the Chrome here. But in case if you are using the I, then you need to make it I here, and you need to provide the path of your I driver. And this is the URL, okay, where you can download the browsers exe. Okay, so it's Selenium HQ site. Okay, you can go here and okay, go to the download section. You can find the exe for the respective browsers here. Okay, so as I'm using the Chrome, so I will just go to this documentation, and from here I can download the respective browsers exe. And but just need to make sure like we need to download the same sort of exe which is matching and compatible with our Chrome version. So you can see like there are different exes available. So you go to like all the details you can find, like it is for the 19.0, it is for 89, it is for 88. So you just need to go and check for what is your version of Chrome. Okay, so mine version is 90. So that's why what I need to do, I need to download this one, the latest stable release, that is for the Chrome browser 19. Okay, so just take care of it. Okay, and now we will replicate this issue. So the issue says like illegal state exception, the path of driver executable must be set by the WebDriver Chrome.driver. Okay, so in case you have not set this path, then we will get the error. So I've just uncommented this code, and now I will try to run it. Okay, so you can see like the error comes, the path to the driver executable must be set by webdriver.chrome.driver. Okay guys, so now you understand, like if you are getting this problem, then what you need to do, you need to just with set the system.property and provide your Chrome driver or whatever browser you are using. You need to provide the path for the same. Okay, now let's to move to the next. What is that? Okay, so it is again the illegal state exception. The driver executable is a directory. Okay, so how to replicate this one? So just uncomment this out here and say like I am not providing the path of my Chrome driver.exe here. Okay, and now I try to run it. Okay, so you can see like the driver executable is a directory. So basically it is not getting the Chrome driver.exe. So that's why it is giving this error. So in case you miss this out, then you will able to get such kind of exception. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay, so this actually I've already explained in the point first itself. So if you are using the wrong version of Chrome driver exe, so say like my Chrome browser is 90 and I'm using 85 or 86 type of Chrome driver.exe, then this error comes. So the error says um, session session not created exception, session not created. The version of the Chrome driver exe only supports Chrome version 88. So like if you are using the wrong Chrome driver exe version, then your session will not be created. So how to fix this out? So you can download the matching Chrome driver exe from this site and place inside your Chrome driver exe path. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay, the next one is the illegal state exception. The driver executable does not exist. So say like I make some changes in my this path. Okay, and now I try to execute this program. Okay, so in that case you will get the driver executable does not exist. So basically this is very important step, and you need to set your driver exe path very properly, otherwise you will come such kind of problems. Okay, let's move to the next one. So the next one is illegal. Okay, it's invalid argument exception. So how it comes? So in case when we are trying to access the google.com and I have just missed this one HTTP. Okay, and I'm just writing the www.google.com. So you can see like I will get this error. So basically my browser will be launched, but I am not able to access the google.com, and I will get the exception, the invalid argument exception. So what you need to do in that case, you just need to mention the HTTP or HTTPS, okay, in the driver.get method. So now I will make it HTTP and I try to execute it again. Okay, so you can say like browser opened successfully, google.launch. Okay, and the last exception is like okay, so no such session exception. Okay, so how it comes? So it comes actually when we have closed the session and we are trying to access driver after that. Okay, so here you can see like I have closed the session here, driver.close. Okay, so with the help of close function, and now I am trying to get the page title. Okay, so as it will not get the session, then it will show the session not found exception. Okay, okay, so you can see like no such session exception. So what you need to do, we need to place basically your driver.close at the last of the statement. It should be the last statement. Okay, now I try to execute this program. This should actually run successfully. Okay guys, so you can see that it is working fine. Okay, so that's it for today's session. I have covered all the exceptions and I hope that it will help you all. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.